Hey, today I'm going to give you some tips on how to make your panoramic sunroof not break. Now, if you have the Ford with the panoramic sunroof, and that thing is awesome, I love the thing, but there is some maintenance that you have to do with it. Now, you've probably seen online people complaining about them breaking and getting stuck open or closed or halfway back or somewhere in between, and it's because the track is got this plastic thing in it, and the plastic breaks and then it gets stuck. It won't go back, or it gets stuck right in a certain spot. But this is easy enough to replace. You can do it in probably, I don't know, 45 minutes with just a screwdriver and a Torx bit, and they're inexpensive. They're about 35 bucks for a set of these. Not a big deal. But I'm gonna show you what to do to avoid having to replace one of those tracks. And it's just a little bit of maintenance. You have to take out 6 screws, and then everything else is pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your glass completely out. It's not that hard. It is 6 Torx screws, 3 on each side, and they come out from here, and then your window just lifts up and comes out. And then once you get this out, now you can work on it. In this area here, you want to clean really well, because you'll see black gunk, rubber that's stuck on here. Same thing with along that edge there. And then this rubber seal right here, you want to clean really well also. And then you're going to put a layer of silicone grease all the way around this thing. And that's it for that. Now, if you want, you can also go into the track and spray some white lithium in there, or you can brush in some silicone grease and get it in here, and that'll make it slide a little bit easier also. Now, you don't have to take this window out to do this. You can do a basic maintenance with the window in there. It's just a little harder to get at all the sealing surfaces, especially the sides, to clean that seal and lube it up. And then with the window out, you have access to all the track work where you can put your grease in there and lube all that stuff up. And it only takes a few minutes. Like I said, 6 screws, really easy to get to. Then you do the same thing with the window. Clean this seal really, really good. And then put some silicone grease, not silicone spray, silicone grease all the way around on this seal, all the way around. And that will keep it from sticking and breaking your track. Now what happens is this seal sticks to this seal, and then it won't let the window pop up or go down. So when you push the button, it tries to go down and it breaks the track because it's stuck. Or one side comes down and the other side will stay up, and it jacks up the track, and then it breaks the plastic part in there. So all you have to do is make sure that this is lubed really well. And then you pop the window back in there, 6 screws, all good. No problems. Hope this explains why they break. It's because of lack of maintenance and lack of operation, and how easy it is to make it not happen. If you like this video, thumbs up. And as always, have safe travels, and I'll see you on the road.